Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, I'm going to go over a new bot setup. I'm going to trade with 3COMMAS on Gate.io. Again, I'm going to set up a leveraged trading bot with 3COMMAS on Gate.io because I'm just going to keep it very low leverage and just want to get trading again on Gate.io slowly. And again, I just want to tell my audience that I did make a change from OKX. Look, no hate on OKX, but the exchange in Australia has had some major updates given the regulatory restraints on the crypto world here in Australia. It's just gotten so hard to use OKX even on the spot market. So I am changing it full blown into Gate.io. I just wanted to let my community know about that because it's just too hard to use. It's just become a simple buy and hold exchange. You can't really trade on it. I just, spent the last hour on it trying to work out what was going on. You can't even move assets on it. The platform's all over the place. They really need to fix it. I just wish they had have left it as they did previously when, we were trading with 3COMMAS with leverage on OKX. Some of my audience members were making ridiculous amounts of money. I'm not kidding. Some people on OKX were making between $800 to $1,000 per day. No BS. You can go look it up. It was insane. But anyway, I'm going to set up some new leverage trading bots on Gate.io. I'm only going to pick a couple of coins because I need to just deposit that money in there. So I'm just going to keep it low for now. Pick a couple of my favorite gems. So stick around for that. All the links for 3COMMAS and of course Gate.io are below. My subscribers will get a discount on the 3COMMAS membership. So make sure you use that. And of course, join the Wall Street Bull University. And again, I'll be back tomorrow with a full video update. Let's get into it, guys. Stick around and click the links below, all right? And join the Wall Street Bull University, all right? Peace. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into it. Again, this is 3COMMAS. I've been using this trading software for a very long time now, which is awesome. Going on almost 3+ years now. It's unreal. I love it. It's worked really well. I'm not kidding. It's made some significant gains for me. And yes, there's been a lot of market volatility. But anyway, this is the platform. The links are below in the video description. Now, again, to subscribe to this, you can use whatever you want. You can use a free version of this if you want. It's up to you. You get 3 active smart trades, 1 signal bot, 1 grid bot, and 1 DCA bot, right? I'm using the monthly pro plan at 76 Australian dollars a month. This is sufficient for me. 50 active smart trades, running signal bots, 10 running grid bots, 50 DCA bots, multi-pair is what I use. You can use that. I think that's plenty, but you can use the expert. It is up to you. If you can basically afford to, you can buy it the whole year as well, which is pretty straightforward. Both pro and expert, it's up to you, but I think monthly is sufficient. Anyway, we're going to come up to the left-hand side. Now, I just want to say that you can add your exchange. So you come to add exchange. You can use this on Binance, Bybit, OKX, KuCoin, Binance, TR, Binance US, BitGet, Bitstamp, Gate.io. Anyway, so I'm using Gate.io because in Australia, we've got some pretty stringent regulations. And of course, around the world, we do as well. The United States has restrictions, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia. So Bybit and Gate.io, you can pretty much use. OKX, as I mentioned at the start of this video, has been an absolute nightmare. I love the exchange. The people are incredible, but it's just gotten too hard to use, right? Just way too freaking hard. Now, once you've connected your exchange, you've got an exchange. I'm using Gate.io. Feel free to use the referral link below. You guys would absolutely rock. You get heaps of benefits with Gate.io as well. You connect the Gate.io to your exchange, right? That's pretty straightforward. Once you've done that, of course, you need USDT. That's what I'm trading with. feel free to trade with whatever you like, but I'm using USDT. All right. Now, again, I do have my other exchanges set up here. Of course, I've still got the other exchanges like on OKX set up and a Bybit. Again, I'm using Gate.io, perpetual futures. You need to keep that one in mind. So I've got 276 USDT. It may not be a lot because there's been a lot of liquidations. But anyway, what I'm focusing today is DCA bot. Now, what I would like to do is bring up Crypto Slate. And let me bring it up here on my screen if I can do that. Let me just bring it up here. There we go. Right, so I like Crypto Slate better than CoinMarketCap for researching coins. Don't ask me why, but I just do. Now, 24-hour volume, click this. You can see the top coins. Helium token, Toncoin, Notcoin. For example, if you go to 30 days as well, Rune, Helium, Sui. All right, so let me write a couple of these down, I should say. Let me just grab a piece of paper. Let's say, for example, you want to trade, let's go Rune. We're going to trade in the multi-bot, Helium token, HNT, Sui. I love Sui. What else have we got here, guys? We've got Aave. I'm just writing this down. Phantom and TRX, right? What else can we do here? Solana's a bit expensive, and I'll show you in a second. TRX, and let's do Monero, XMR, and we can do XRP. Of course, that's a given. All right, so I've written that down. Coming back to, let me just change my screen right here. 3COMMAS. Let me bring that back up now. Boom. Let's go. All right, we're going to come down to DCA bot, right on the left-hand side. You can do basically Signal bot, DCA bot, it's up to you. Let's go create a DCA bot. Now this is the fun part right here. And I actually love the old trading platform. It's the display on the desktop. It's so much better. So I'm going to come to Perpetual, and let's keep an eye on the right-hand side. It should be working here. There we go. All right. So I've currently got 276 USDT. All right. So it's not a lot, but you can do whatever you like. Now, I'm going to click the name. I'm going to change this to, how many coins are we trading? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 coins. So we're going to go Gate.io. 8 coins. Right? I'm going to click multi-pair. Now, the coins that we talked about just before, we're going to go Rune, USDT. We're going to click HNT, Helium token. We're going to click Sui. Love Sui. We're going to click Aave. We're going to click Phantom. We're going to click TRX, Tron. We're going to do Monero, so we'll do XMR. Let's have a look here. We'll do XRP, of course. That is a given. Let's do some meme coins, right? I think Bonks was like going nuts. Let's throw a couple of memes in there. So that's now 9. We'll do 9, 10, 2 more. And we'll do Sheeb as an example, right? So we've got 10 coins there. So let's go 10. Just make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. 10 active deals we're going to do. So this is just strategy. We're going to go long position. Now again, leverage type, we're going to do isolated, sorry. Now, base order, we're going to keep it small because the market's extremely volatile. I'm going to keep the leverage at like, say 5x. That is it. That is enough. I would not go any more than 5x. You can probably go even less, maybe even like 3. All right, just to get things moving. Now, we're going to do 10 deals because we want a deal. We're going to do 10 as the base order for each of those 10 deals. If you come to the top here, it's going to cost 259 USDT. All right. We're going to go market order because I want these things trading all the time. Coming down here, we're going to use an RSI indicator as a deal start condition on 3x leverage, market order. Limit order does save on fees, but it's up to you. Actual fact, let's just ball out here. Let's just go 5x. Let's keep it at that. I was trading at the peak of the bull market way higher than that. Now again, deal start conditions RSI. You can add whatever you like. You can use MACD. You can use Bollinger Bands, moving average, stochastic RSI, Heikin-Ashi, whatever you like, right? So I'm going to leave it at RSI. percentage right here, we're going to take a percentage from total volume. We're going to do 1.5%. We can even do it less. I'm not going to reinvest the profits into the deals. I want the money. Stop loss, I leave off. I just want these things trading. Now, again, safety order right here. Let's just see what it does. I usually double it. So we're going to go 20 USDT. Now, having a look here, watch this right-hand side when I adjust this. So max safety orders, I go 30. Deviation, we're going to leave at, if I can remember, it was 2. Safety orders, we only want 1 in the book at one time. Safety order volume step scale, we're going to set to 0.05. Safety order volume step scale, we're going to set to 1. All right. So basically, this bot's going to need 2,677 USDT because of the 30 safety orders. But we can drop that down. See, if I drop that down to like 1, it's going to be 60 USDT. If I drop it to 2, you can see it's gone to 102. 10 safety orders is 500 USDT. So look, it's more manageable. The higher the leverage, the less money you need. As an example, if I was to click 20x, you're only going to need 131 USDT, which is, don't do 20x, all right? Keep it low. But you don't necessarily have to have all that money in there, but just bear that in mind. Now, again, I'm going to set this to 30. That's what I've been using anyway. Anyway, coming down here to advanced conditions, that's fine. Let me just have a look to make sure everything's okay. 10 coins. Let's put the date here, 6th of the 9th, 2024. In actual fact, let's tone it down even more, right? So let's get rid of a couple coins. Actually, you know what? Leave it. That's fine. Let's see what this does now, because again, when you pick and choose some altcoins right here, it does have a minimum order. I'm just saying, right? So let's go start. Okay, so see TRX, the base order is 14 USDT. Let's get rid of it. Let's get rid of that and say 9 coins. Okay, let me try this again. We're going to adjust this back to 9 here on the max active deals. This should start. Bonk is 15 USDT. All right, so let's get rid of Bonk. We're going to change this to 8 coins, my lucky number. This is what happens. Change it, max active deals to 8. We're going to go start. Just waiting here. All right. That is pretty much it, right? So, now the bot's going to be trading those 8 coins. Here we go. Here's all the settings that I've just done. Pretty straightforward. Coming over to, let me just bring up my exchange now. If this wants to work. Let me have a look. Sorry, guys. Let me bring this up here. Change the screen. It's having a moment. Sorry, guys. Gate.io. Let me just bring this up. I don't know, for whatever reason it's not working. But anyway, I'm not sure why it's not working. Really strange. Let me have a look. Okay, here we go. All right, so here's Gate.io. Now, again, that bot is now working. Coming to futures. If we scroll down, the bot will start trading. It will start working. Let me just close this now. Finish. Order history, position history. Okay, so I was just playing around with it, but let the bot work. It's going to pick up on the RSI indicator right here when this is basically up and running. The start command is turned on. That is pretty much it, guys. That's how you set up a leverage trading bot.
I hope you enjoyed that setup guide, and just to show you guys that it actually works, have a look at this.
Here you go right here. The deals are already starting because on the 3-minute time frame, the RSI indicator has gone below the 30 line. So it's opened up long positions. So there you go with 5x leverage. Don't go too much more than that, guys, because it's pretty volatile at the moment.